Zhulincarbon, activated carbon supplier from China.
Welcome to Zhulin Activated Carbon Company. Zhulincarbon is a professional activated carbon manufacturer in China. We devoted to the development and research of the activated carbon industry for more than 20 years. With the development of the economy, Chinese environmental protection issues have become increasingly prominent. In order to promote activated carbon's application in environmental protection, we established Zhulin Activated Carbon Company in October 2010. We provide different types of activated carbon for clients with the best solutions, such as granular activated carbon, pellet activated carbon, powdered activated carbon, impregnated activated carbon, and so on. Activated carbon is one of the most cost-effective absorbent materials in the world, which are widely used in drinking water treatment, wastewater treatment, air purification, gold refining, food and beverage, solvent recovery, and medicine industry. In China, the coal resources are abundant, with low sulfur, low ash, and low volatility, which is suitable for activated carbon production. We have established the strategic and cooperative partnership with the local largest coal mining, laid the foundation for our production and development of high-quality activated carbon.
Quality is fundamental for a company's survival and development. We attach great importance to credibility, attention to quality management. We own perfect inspection instruments and equipment. From material inspection to finished goods inspection, we strictly control every process. We can guarantee that our products have passed the strict test before they are sent to customers. In order to improve our product's quality and service level and meet the increasing demand of more customers, we are always doing our best and keep innovating. Our activated carbon products have obtained halal, ISO, kosher, NSF, and other certifications.
In addition to meeting the needs of the domestic market, our activated carbon has also been exported to foreign markets. We have served hundreds of customers, more than 80 countries and regions, mainly distributed in Southeast Asia, South Korea, France, Spain, Germany, Canada, Russia, Africa, South America, and the Middle East. In order to provide better service for our customers, Zhulincarbon plans to set up more offices in Thailand, Germany, and Tanzania within 2 to 3 years.
竹林活性炭集团以成为技术研发为核心的高端品质活性炭生产商，欢迎各位朋友来公司考察，期待与你的合作。